Hello, so today we'll show some functions on this Mercedes C-Class with our WJME product, WJME1 product with the new iOS 14. So here just to show you it's an iOS 14, 14.0.1 and with an iPhone XS Max. So it's already been connected wirelessly to our retrofit module, which is very easy to do, which you can do within 1 minute. So to go into CarPlay, we have to hold a specific button for 1 second, the back button on the Mercedes, and you go into CarPlay. So let me show you what's new with the iOS 14. So you can choose some new wallpapers, some new exciting colors, like so, and you just press set, very easy. And you can, then the Siri has a new look to it, which is very cool.
我在 Apple Music 中找不到这个内容。
And then when you're navigating, which you can do online navigation with our module, when you go to a destination, go.
开始规划前往
What's new with iOS 14 is that you can share your ETA
number 3688
with a contact. So it means this contact will know where you are and how long left you have to arrive at the destination. And on the person's your contact's phone, they will simply get a notification that says started sharing ETA with you, and they can check your location. So other functions with our module allows you to listen to online music, Spotify, Apple Music, and many other apps. So like so. And you can skip songs with the knob just by going left and right. Another function of the module, it supports factory reverse cameras and the installation of aftermarket cameras with dynamic reverse guidelines. And you can always go back to your original interface by holding the same button that you went into CarPlay, like so. And for our users that have purchased our module before, there's no software updating required for the module. Thank you. Another function of iOS 14 is to allow users to send voice messages via Siri. So I'll demonstrate now. Send voice message to Baron.
Okay, recording.
Hey, I'm filming a new video. Where are you?
Great. Send it to Baron JoyeAuto.
Review. Hey, I'm filming a new video. Where are you?
Great. Send it to Baron JoyeAuto.
Send.
Okay, it's sent.
And on the recipient's messaging, iMessage, you can just, hey, I'm filming a new video. Where are you? Very useful new function of iOS 14 in CarPlay.